Hey everyone, Garrett here from See and Experience. I wanted to just go over, I'm actually making this video in part two. I'm traveling with one of my friends coming up, and he's never really traveled and I don't want to say backpack, but traveled with a backpack as his only kind of luggage. So I just wanted to make this video of what I bring, how I pack, uh, and kind of just prepare for a trip. So as you can see, this is my backpack here. It's an Osprey. It does have that breakaway day pack here. And just to first start off with the backpack, I have a water bottle attached to it. These little clips there really help out. I got my phone mount, so I put this when I'm like traveling on airplanes. It clips to the tray and I can mount my phone. I got my snacks. I always have beef jerky when I travel. This is just my little pocket for like my passport and money. In here in the day pack, I'll have my Chromebook, which is right there. I'll have my Chromebook and all my electronics in here, and then in the bigger bag I will have all my clothes. So now what do I bring on my trips? So this upcoming trip, I'm going to Egypt and Jordan, and that's going to be about 13, 14 days or so. So I know I'm going to be doing laundry when I'm in Egypt. It's just something I kind of always plan for, is to do laundry at least once, regardless of the trip, unless it's like 4 days. So right now, I roll up my underwear. I bring about 6 pairs, and then I always have the one I'm wearing while I'm flying to the country. And to go along with that, I have 6 t-shirts, so always plain t-shirts. So I fold them up like this. I have lots of socks. Socks are just a mysterious thing for me. I do have 4 pairs of pants I bring with. So 1, 2, 3. My other ones are in the laundry. So I'll have 4 pants plus the ones I'm wearing on while traveling to that country. I'm bringing 2 pairs of athletic shorts. I know this is one. Like I said, I'm doing laundry. So I have 2 pairs of this. For Egypt and Jordan, I know it is going to be a little bit cooler. So I'm bringing 2 sweatshirts. So this one is a pretty heavy sweatshirt. So I'm bringing that one, and I'm bringing this lighter one right here. I have 1 long sleeve. This is just a plain long sleeve. All my clothes are just plain colors besides this one that has some palm trees and the peace symbol. But otherwise, all my stuff is just plain. I really try and emphasize plain black, easy to wear, light, comfortable pants, and that's it. I really don't. I know I'm going to stand out, and I don't want to stand out more than I'm already standing out in the country. Now, for electronics, I'll probably honestly pack maybe 1 or 2 more shirts. I mean, they're very easy. They don't take up much room. I always bring a hat. I always put the hat right on the outside of my backpack here. And then start off with, obviously, the passport. I always have 2 battery banks. One is, I think, a 20,000 milliamp, and then the other one is 10,000. For Egypt, you definitely need a outlet converter, so I always have one of these. I found this one. It's all of them in one. It's a little bit bulky, but it gets the job done. And if I go from Austria to Jordan to Egypt, I'm covered, and it's only one item. I got my drone bag. This is the DJI Mavic Air 2. I got my journal for all my notes for when I do fly. My 3 batteries. I got my Sony headphones here. Always need some wireless headphones. I got my my super fast charger. Sorry, don't want to misbrand that one. Super fast charger, and then my Samsung Chromebook. All of this plus I gotta figure out how to fit this setup in my backpack. So that's what I'm trying to figure out on how to do that effectively. But essentially, all of my electronics will go into the day pack. All of my clothes will go into the bigger backpack. And I should have a little bit of room left. And that's all I really care about, is a little bit of room. If you have questions, if you have any other tips or tricks or anything, or if you want to know why I pack what I pack, please comment down below. Trying to get to 100 subscribers. If you can, just hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And then I will be posting more content soon once I get to Jordan. That will be on the 18th and 19th. I will be in Jordan, and then I'm doing Petra on the 20th and 21st, and then Egypt until essentially December 1st. But if you have questions, or if you found this video helpful, please comment, subscribe, like. It all means a lot to me. I do respond to every comment, so just comment down below and I will respond fairly quickly. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you guys soon.